Hi, this is April 21st, 2023. This is Tammy with T. Allie's Art on YouTube and Facebook, Allie's Poorhouse, and A Poorhouse on Instagram. So I did a painting on here earlier today, and I'll probably show you that video too. It did not turn out at all. It was a split base with a flip cup, and I took the flip cup and it was too big. The cup that I used was too large. It was an 8-ouncer. So I'm going to take some small Dixie cups and fill those to the brim, maybe 3 of them, to put down the middle of this 20 by 20 inch canvas with a 1.5 inch gallery wrap side. But it just really turned out wretchedly. It looked really good at first, and then ugh. So this is, it looks really pretty right through here right now, but anyway, this is going to be the split base. This is Sherwin-Williams Color to Go Porcelain, which is a really pretty gray blue. And I'm going to spread it around on here. And then I've got Artist Loft White for the other half. And then I'm going to put the flip cups down the middle, but they're going to be small. They're going to be filled with paint, so I get interesting. You can see where I scraped off the old paint. And then it just, sometimes they just do that. They just turn awful, muddy, awful. Now it's doing all these cell things after I scraped it off. Maybe I should have just done a swipe, which would have been probably pretty, but that's, you know, that's not what I was going for. I love my flip cups. So anyway, I'm gonna put that on there. Didn't do a good scientific job on it, but I'm gonna just get some of this stuff off. Get the base coat, distribute it around a little bit. Not doing a very scientific job of it. I'm really kind of upset right now. I'm not sure how come that happened, but it really shouldn't have. Who knows? You know, that's the thing with fluid art is, honestly, you can do all the formulas and you can do all the work, which I've been doing for years, and then you can do something and it just doesn't turn out. Don't know why. Well, I do know why in this case. The color's muddied really badly. I got a lot of cells, but the color's muddied really badly, and there just wasn't any going back from that. So anyway, I will try again. So I've got 1, 2, 3 cups that I'm going to fill with paint this time, if I've got enough paint. Let's see, turquoise first. This is Lascaux Halo Turquoise Blue. I'm going to put that at the bottom. I have got Dioxizine Purple. Oh, this is Dioxizine Violet, which is my favorite. And it's favorite violet. It's Soho. It will really take over, so I have to be really careful with that. I need white. Here's my white. White. Okay, and then this is Matisse Fluid Southern Ocean Blue. And that's gonna go the middle cup. I'm just doing a dirty pour there. I didn't mean to, but white. So I'm going to use green in the middle cup. This is titanium white fluid. I'm going to put some green in there. What happened to my, oh, there's magenta. I'm going to put some magenta in these guys here. Why is that not flowing very well? I don't want much because it really did take the last one and just ran with it. This is Golden Paints Turquoise. And I have to get those completely filled up. Here's gold metallic. This is Gencraft and Montmartre golds mixed together. Southern Ocean Blue Matisse, one of my favorite colors. There you go, and there it goes. I am going to, I'm going to put a tad bit more of this Dioxizine Violet in there. Not much, as you can tell. No tipper, go away. Sorry, sweetheart, you go away. And then top it with white. White. Top it with white. And then I have some golden, oh, darn it, it's baby food jar. It's a baby food jar, and I guess I didn't realize they seal after you put the lid back on them. Darn. Well, I was hoping to do, it's a deeper gold than, I don't think I'm going to get this open, quite frankly. Let's see if I can use a paper towel to do it. It's just solid. I didn't know they vacuum sealed again. Well, that does not help at all. Okay, so I will put some more of this gold here on top. And these are pretty much filled to the brim, right? And I'll put a little bit more Lascaux. Filled to the brim for a flip cup. Okay, now, wow, that just went inside. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna flip that cup, flip that cup, oop, flip that cup. Let it sit for a minute so everything can do what it's supposed to do. Okay. And I did not, last time I put some black in it, and I did not do that this time because it didn't stay separated. It just kind of muddied everything. It shouldn't have, because everything was the same consistency. So anyway, okay, there's those paints. I've got to just let those sit for a minute so they can do their magic, which they, whoa, much more so than they did the last time. Wow. Now, I'm going to take the flip cups and take them there. And take this flip cup, take it that way, and take this flip cup and take it that way. Okay. Okay. Now, that's just a little bit better. Yes, it is. Used almost all of my paints that I mixed yesterday, which is good, because that way I don't have them sitting around. And getting old, I'm just letting it sit for a minute, and then I'm going to torch it. Okay. And then we'll move the paint around on the canvas, right? Okay. And this is empty, so I'll have to. Okay, let's torch it. You can see the dioxazine violet here, and then there's the magenta. There's that really light gold, which I couldn't put the other gold on there because couldn't get the darn baby cup open. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna have to get up just a little bit here. All right. So much for density. I had everything checked. Everything was checked. All right, what on earth do we have here so far? What a mess. What the heck? I've lost my flip cup beauty. I don't understand. I don't understand. This is gorgeous. And this is coming out here. But this stuff here and here is just awful. I'm not sure what's going on. Let's get a lot of this paint off of here. You just have to. You cannot leave it on or it will crack. Then we'll see what it does. But as of right now, I've lost all the special effects that I had from the flip cups. Oh goodness. Well, isn't that interesting? It's completely different from what it's supposed to be. Completely. Well, we'll see how this goes. Stay away, Tipper. I don't want you coming in here. I do not think that I will scrape this one. I did the other one. That's what all this paint is. I just gave up on it. But I think that when this thing starts to dry, I'm pretty sure I am going to like what I see. And I'm going to try to clean up the edges here. So, and this edge is very interesting over here. Very interesting. See, all of this is doing some really strange things. I don't think I'm going to use this formula again. It works really well. I used Tammy Anderson's two-part formula, which is fluid acrylic paint, drops of it in American Floetrol. And then I used some of it was Amsterdam Pouring Medium and fluid acrylic paint and some water. And then of course that's what the base I used acrylic paint with the white and house paint with the porcelain color, and I added Floetrol and a bit of water to each of them to make them the same consistency as the other paints that I was using. But I find this is too fluid for a flip cup. At least what I'm looking for in a flip cup. So we shall see, but it's getting some really interesting stuff going on, and I'm going to leave it because it's really not what I was looking for, but ta-da, here you go. It's a very interesting painting. All right, you guys, take care. Oh my God, I got paint over here. Shoot. No, Tipper, did you walk through the paint? Doggone it. Okay, I have some cleanup to do. Bye.